a great day because it's a party night, a Mickey's Not So Scary Halloween party night. The park closes at 6. Magic Kingdom, everybody out at 6 unless you have a party ticket. So a lot of people won't come. Are the wait times gonna be low? Maybe. Is it a Tuesday and kids are supposed to be in school? Yes. At 4 in the morning, we all got alerts on our phone that said, tropical storm warning, we've got a hurricane barreling into the Gulf. So maybe people are gonna skip out today and prepare their homes for the hurricane. I feel like today might be the best day to come to Magic Kingdom.
All of the lands of the Magic Kingdom will be opening. It's time to make your way to Cinderella Castle for a very special presentation. Thank you.
Like the opening ceremony?
I love the opening ceremony. It's so fun. Where are we headed?
Okay, so we're heading this way. Why are we heading this way?
Because your beautiful wife got up and got ready and got us group 13 for Tiana's Bayou adventure. And we haven't ridden the revamped version yet, so I'm super excited.
Let's do this.
They're not boarding yet for Tiana's Bayou adventure. So we're gonna go hang out in Adventureland and Frontierland and just stay in that general area.
A bagel sandwich. It's 20,000 leagues under the sea. Let's do it. Look what we got. We got footprints.
Yeah, they redid some of the concrete last night. Little birdies.
Little birdies.
Yeah. It's like little squirrels. Some little hoof, maybe a goat.
It's pirates. It's pirates. Hey, it's pirates.
I know, that's where I'm going.
It's 5 minutes. It's 5 minutes. All right. So we ride pirates. And then we stop for a coffee break.
You're ready for more coffee already?
I only had like this much this morning. And
you had a cup and a half.
I did not have a cup and a half.
I'm not arguing. I'm ready for coffee.
Wow, it's pretty empty.
This lovely key to the treasure room.
Avast there.
Doing construction on the gift shop here. Also, construction across the way. Let's go check it out. So they took down the sign for Tortuga's Tavern, moved all the merch that was in the pirate gift shop over here. Oh, he found a cup, didn't he? Yep. And it's no longer an eatery. And hopefully, once the gift shop is done, they'll turn this into something new too. I like that. I like that a lot. Is that a Stanley?
I don't know. Maybe.
It cool. Looks exactly like the Starbucks Stanley, even down to the... Wow. Do you need it?
I need and want, but not right now.
Oh, okay. All right. looks like a fantastic place for a cup of coffee. Oh, you brought the big boy.
Brought cup.
Oh, I was like, what's in the bag? Little coffee sleeves.
Yeah.
Uncover the W so they can, yeah, we're not flaunting bad words around Magic Kingdom. There we go. And I got our witch hat, coffee cups.
That's not it.
That's not it?
Or that's yeah, we're not done yet.
Okay.
And now we're done.
Oh, sugar, creamer. Yeah.
We got a little spoon.
All right, let's have some coffee.
Coffee time. All right. What you got there? 20 minutes. 10 minutes less than the posted wait time.
15 left.
It's 15.
I thought it said 35.
It said 30.
Oh, 10 minutes left.
Yep. Whoop. Whoop. I actually like that.
These tiny musicians you found sure do bring the heat.
It got in my mouth. Right when I screamed, it's like it got in my mouth again. This time it got me, okay? I don't know.
Thank goodness for first aid. I just got some allergy medication. I don't know what the deal is. Fall allergies are on the real. But as far as crowds go, this is a really good day. Like,
yes.
We're not bumping into everybody. This is nice.
Yes, the only thing we're worried about, just the Florida heat like usual.
Florida heat, Florida sun.
Humidity.
Yeah.
It's great.
And ride wait times have been amazing. We waited 20 minutes for Peter Pan. Everything else has been a walk-on.
Yes.
So, nice.
Loving
nice.
it. Loving it.
Let's go take a nap.
Let's go what?
Take a nap.
Let's go take a nap? I think I know where we're going.
Yep, you already know. That's your favorite. Let's go.
All right. Cause it's a great, big, beautiful tomorrow. I think we got new seats.
Yeah, those are crucial. Yeah.
Need you to calm down over there, ma'am.
All right, I'm gonna take a nap now.
Yes, dear.
Lovins don't just clean themselves, you know.
I know, dear. It's a dream come true.
Well, babe, that was a great, big, beautiful tomorrow. We're now about to get on to the People Mover.
We're looking at all of our favorites today.
Yeah.
Express train keeps on rolling through the future, right by two of my favorite spots. Love a good circuit. And these are two of the best tracks of the cosmos for a bit of light, speedy competition.
Alright, Space Mountain has been down for 10 minutes. Well, okay, we've been waiting for 10 minutes for it to come back on after we exited People Mover. And that's it, we're calling it. We're gonna go over to say hey to my girl, Ariel.
Huh? Oh, okay.
Alright, let's head.
Yes, indeed. Hey, Roland. So it says a 30-minute wait, but this looks like it's more than a 30-minute wait.
And consider this dismaying observation.
Call in the spirits wherever they're at.
Someone's happy over here.
Pineapple upside down with coconut sauce. The trick is to let the coconut melt and get this all wet, and then you eat the cake.
Surprise! We're in the Country Bear Jamboree. The floodgates has opened. Are you ready for this?
Well, I hope it's good.
We're gonna find out.
Howdy, folks. Welcome to the one and only original Country Bear musical tambourine, featuring a wild and woolly assortment of grizzled old grizzlies singing a little country, a little western, and a whole lot of everything in between. He's slapping Joe, Captain Jubilee. Just don't let it make you cry.
Even though you are so gorgeous,
That's not how the song goes.
I'll be here by your side
Are you covering the speaker?
until you in my heart again. Remember me.
I like that. It's been a great day. It's been a fun day. It's been a hot day.
Yes.
It's been a long day. Thanks to the friends that stopped us in the lobby of the Country Bear Sing-Along Jamboree.
Sorry if I look like a grumpy bear, I promise I'm not grumpy.
We're not grumpy. We're so tired and we're hot.
Yeah, the sun beat it out of us.
And yeah, people are starting to come in for the party, and wait times are starting to go up. So I would say before 3 p.m. is your best wait times. Right at 3 p.m. we saw them nosedive because I think everybody's heading out to the Nether Park or to Disney Springs for dinner, and then people will start coming in right at 4. So. And
this means it's time for us to take a nap.
Bye.
So maybe they're just like us, just taking a nap.
Nap time.
Yes.
Thank you so much for our Patreon. We really appreciate all of our patrons. And thank you for subscribing, liking, sharing the video, and commenting down below. And we'll see you real soon.
Yeah.
Bye.